is big friend addition with 8. We know 8 friend is 2. Who is the 8 friend? 2. Just we going to be add the number. Big friend says minus the friend plus the king. 8 friend is 2. You have to minus 2 plus the king. And then we have to learn about the step-by-step process. We just know when we are going to be add or subtract the number in abacus, if the beats are not directly available, so we just going to be take the help of in any other thing. So we just take the help of big friend. First, we're going to be take the first number in a unit rod. When we adding the number or the beats are not available, then we using the big friend method. Big friend method says subtract the friend at the king and do it the add and subtract to the next number. We have a first question as 2 plus 8 plus 3. Just take 2 in a unit rod, then plus 8, but the beats are not available. So just we take 2. Beats are not available to plus 8. We have only 7 beats. 8 friend is 2 minus 2 plus the king. Answer is 10 right now. And then we are going to be at plus 3. We just take 1, 2, 3 in a one's rod. Right now, we just going to be know the answer. Answer is 13. We just going to be know what is our final answer. Final answer is 13. Go to the next sum. The next sum is 9 plus 8 minus 7. So then again we have to first clear our abacus tools and take 9 in it and then plus 8. Beats are not available. There's no beats are available. 8 friend is 2 minus 2 plus the king. And then we have to minus 7. 5, 6, 7. Answer is 1 and 0, 10. Yes, 10 is the correct answer. The second double digit number sum is 27 plus 2 plus 8. 27, take 20 and 7. Then we have plus 2. 1 and 2 beats are available there. And then plus 8 beats are not available. 8 friend is 2 minus 2 plus the king. Answer is 37. 37 is the correct answer. You just keep remember, we just going to be putting the values in a correct order. 10 means we just go to the next 10th order. Then 18 minus 5 plus 8. We just clear it. 18 minus 5 and then you have to plus 8. 8 friend is 2 minus 2 plus the king. Answer is 21. 21 is the correct answer. Then the next example for you, you're just going to try to do yourself. 6 plus 9 minus 5. In there, we just know 6 and 9. 9 friend is 1. We have to minus 1 plus the king. And then we have to minus 5. It is 10. 10 is the correct answer. So there's some practice sums for you to try to do yourself. Thank you.